Feeling peckish? Understanding an appetizing English phrase. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to delve into a delightful English phrase, peckish. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in your conversations. Let's dive in. Peckish is an informal adjective used in British English. When someone says they're feeling peckish, it means they're slightly hungry. They're not starving or extremely hungry, but they could eat a small snack or something light. Imagine it's a few hours after lunch and dinner is still some time away. That's the perfect time someone might say they're feeling peckish. The term peckish is believed to have originated from the word peck, which means to eat in small amounts or to nibble, much like how birds eat. When birds eat, they peck at their food, taking small amounts at a time. So, when someone says they're peckish, it's like saying they could peck at some food or have a small bite. To give you a clearer understanding, let's see how peckish can be used in various sentences. 1. I had a big breakfast, so I'm just a bit peckish now. 2. Do you want to grab a quick snack? I'm feeling a tad peckish. 3. I'm not ready for dinner, but I could eat something small. I'm a little peckish. From these examples, you can see that peckish fits naturally into conversations about hunger, especially when you're only slightly hungry. So there you have it. The next time you're feeling a little bit hungry, why not use the phrase peckish? It's a fun way to express that light hunger feeling, and it's sure to impress your friends and colleagues with your grasp of English idioms. I hope you found this video helpful, and remember, keep exploring the English language. There's always something tasty to discover.